What's going on, Stallions? Today I'm gonna go hang out with my friend. We're gonna go take some pictures. Just filled up on some gas, so yeah, let's go do some pulls. Nice challenge in front of me. Maybe we should race him. Ah yes, the perfect scenery to take photos. Hey, I'm not gonna lie though, up here, this would be a great spot. This is a dead end up here. You could do some like burnouts or something. That was a pretty successful drive, yeah. Pretty good.
Epic.
Oh, and how many likes for you to take the muffler off the Prelude?
3.
3 likes? 3 likes, and we'll take the muffler off the Prelude. Alright. Bet.
That's the only thing I need to get down is my downshifting.
Yeah.
And we're in the clear, boys.
Alright, boys, second gear pull. Wait, and... Alright guys, what's up? We're back. Just finished having my friend Owen record me, as you guys just saw. I'm heading back and figured do some little point of view driving. Got the GoPro out, so yeah, let's enjoy. Got the AC on because windows will probably be a little too windy, and honestly, even though it says it's 72 outside, it's pretty warm, so even just with the cold air, I had to turn the AC on or else I'm gonna start sweating pretty good here. I wonder how many people are gonna give me weird looks, like some teenage kid in his Mustang just recording with a little action camera on his head. Wow, tire skidding just from a normal turn. I think it might be some time to get some new tires. Leave a comment below what type of tires you think we should get on this. Should we get some Michelins, some Mickey Thompsons, Nittos? Leave a comment what your favorite tire compound is. Downshift sound awesome. I can't wait to get that race exhaust. It's gonna be even better. Such a beautiful area. I love driving down this road. So many trees, so green. Alright, so what's up guys? We're back here in my room. It was really windy outside, so I couldn't film the outro out there. So we're inside here, we're here at my desk. I'm editing the video up right now. And I just want to let you guys know that I'm going to a car meet on Saturday. So I need to clean my car, but it's going to be raining tomorrow, so it'd be worthless to go clean it then. So Friday, check it out. We're going to do some pre-car meet car cleaning. And then Saturday morning, from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. is the car meet, so it should be a pretty good turnout. It's about 350 cars a lot. So yeah, be sure to check back then. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, click the like button, and turn on the notifications so you know when to get the next video. And I'll see you guys then.